going on, everyone? My name's Austin, coming back at you with another cast iron cooking video. Today, we're gonna smoke some chicken and then sear it off nice and hot in our cast iron skillet. Let's get cooking. To start off, we're just gonna get this skin nice and dry. I recommend using a paper towel and just patting it down. In terms of seasonings today, we're gonna be using Honey Hog Barbecue. You can be really liberal with using this. It's really low in salt. I much prefer seasonings that kind of have less salt in them because you can really use as much as you want. Now we got to set up our smoker. Today I'm going to be burning some Royal Oak lump charcoal. And I've just gone ahead and filled this chimney up about 3/4 of the way, as we're only going to be cooking this chicken for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, I'd say, on the smoker. After about 15 minutes, as you can see, our coals are roaring hot, and we're just going to dump them into these charcoal baskets here. We've got our smoker set up for indirect heat. I'm also going to add 1 block of hickory wood. On this Weber, I'm going to go ahead and open the top vents fully and the bottom vent about 1/4 of the way. Once our grill's up to temperature, we can go ahead and add our chicken. In terms of smoking it, I like to get around medium temperature, right around 350 degrees for me is the sweet spot. Now it's time to start checking it for temperature. As always, I'm using my Thermapen thermometer, and we're looking for 165 degrees. We're also going to be cooking these gorgeous green beans. Go ahead and throw some butter in, toss your green beans in, and to that add some sea salt and black pepper. In terms of seasonings for green beans and really veggies in general, I like to keep it simple, and rarely will I use something other than salt and pepper. Every once in a while, give the green beans a little stir. We're just looking for a little caramelization on them. That butter will get nice and brown and give them nice, sweet, buttery taste. Once these are done, we're just going to squeeze a little lemon on top. The acid from the lemon really brightens up the overall taste. All right, everyone, this looks great. I gotta give it a try. Super good. Highly recommend that method. Smoke, then sear.